Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have with us Hotwheels Premium 77 packin pacer, and this one I got long back, but I'm thinking to open it today. I don't know why. I'm just getting that feeling to open it today and see how Hot Wheels Premium are actually made. I have the whole set of this pop culture, but didn't open a single car yet. Thought to stay like guarded only, but now I'm thinking to just open one and view, because this one I got in a very damaged condition, as you can see. This one I got for half price from Amazon, around 277 rupees something I got. So we can give it a chance and let's see what is actually Hot Wheels Premium are made of, and we'll open it and see it today. Just give me a moment. I'll just open in front of you guys only. Just give a cut over here. The first time I'm opening a Hot Wheels like this. Before I tried with that acetone, nail polish remover and all, but those things didn't work well. Now this also I just ruined a little bit, but it's okay. I think we can remove it now. Yeah. Without damaging the packaging a lot, we have just removed this BEAVIS and BUTT-HEAD 77 packin pacer. And as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, now you can see the detailing and all. There is some paint job irregularities. You can see a little bit, not much. The paint job is very good. You can see the rusting and all they have shown. Let me just, yeah, you can see the rusting paint job they have done on it, and this is very good. Actually, the tires rolled really very well. You can see a nice BEAVIS and BUTT-HEAD livery over here. They tried to give a rusty look to this car. The chrome finishing is too good. Actually, I liked it. The tires are made up of rubber. They call it real riders, metal on metal. Both are metal, the body and the chassis, both. Full body, you can say. Made in Indonesia. Packin pacer. Just trying to give you a detailed look, guys, that's all. The paint job on this is very good. The headlights are not painted, they are engraved, but the chrome finish on them is commendable. The livery I like too much. It's like you can see BEAVIS and BUTT-HEAD on this side, but as it is in packed condition, you can see their faces only. So that is a different thing. to observe here. Both sides the livery is different, and the tail light is actually good. You can see the paint finish and all, it's very good. The MTV logo, music television, this one looks very good. The exhaust is chrome finish, you can see some engine detailing, and the exhausts are outside. The engine detailing I liked very much, like fully chromed out. The interior is fully chromed out, so that's a good thing. That is going on with the back tire also. You can see the both tires are different. One rims are matching with the body's color, and one's rim matching is with the interior, so they try to make this fusion. Let's see how it rolls a little bit. Yeah, it rolls pretty good. I'm just giving you a 360 look, guys. You can say the weight is actually heavy, and you can feel it, the metal on metal. This is my first time, guys, I have ever opened a Hot Wheels Premium, and I don't have words to look at and see how beautiful they are made. So that's what distinguish between the Hot Wheels and Hot Wheels Premium. You know, the detailing, the finish, and all those things that they put in it, the efforts they put in it. So that is commendable. I'll show you some Hot Wheels 5-pack edition. In comparison with that premium, you can see this is very normal looking car. Okay, it doesn't have any weight, that much weight, but this one is holds a lot of weight. And as you can see, the paint job will be not that good. It's manageable, right? Okay, this one is a 70 Challenger, and you can see the difference in both of them. I know we can't compare them, but I'm just showing you the difference between a premium and a mainline. That's all. How the tires are, how the chassis are, and why we pay extra for premiums. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We'll meet in next videos. I'll just give you one more 360 look, and that's all. We'll end this video.